Do you have a fat dog? Do you have a crazy dog out of control? Or is your dog somewhere in the middle? At American Dog Fitness, we help you maximize your dog's life now. How many days do we find ourselves simply out of time to exercise our dogs? Experts say the minimum time we should walk our dogs is 60 minutes per day. American Dog Fitness is your solution. What if you could say to your dog, Scooter, treadmill? And your dog jumps onto the treadmill. Push 20 minutes and start. We do in-home consultations that include a wellness evaluation nutritional report, and we bring the treadmill. Maximize your dog's life now with help from American Dog Fitness. Schedule your in-home consultation today on Facebook, www.facebook.com/American Dog Fitness.